Hello, my name is Kathy and I'm from your success team here at MIFOinc. I'd like to go over the Chlamydia Screening Report. This report takes all of your patients assigned to the office that have an open measure that needs to be met for chlamydia screening. The report is categorized into different descriptions to help you manage this process. The first description is upcoming appointments. So you'll see here all the patients that actually do have upcoming appointments. They will also appear on your daily action list as open opportunities. So as long as when the patient does come in for their appointment, you meet the measure in its entirety, you will be given credit for this measure and your incentives will be noted by the health plan. The next category, outreach opportunity, indicates that this patient has not been in, there has been no encounter, nor is there any appointment scheduled. So you can use this data for an outreach campaign to make sure that the members are called and appointments made. The next category is claims more than 60 days. This indicates that the patient has had an encounter. The encounter has been submitted to the health plan, and it's been more than 60 days, which is typically the amount of time it takes for a health plan to adjudicate a claim. We keep it in that status until we see if it has or has not come off your future MSR. If it has not and it still remains, that indicates that the health plan has not given your practice credit, so we move it up into an appeal status. Those appeals are taken and turned into supplemental data, which then can be submitted to the health plan to make certain that your practice does get your incentive credit for that measure. And the last category, claim less than 60 days, indicates that we're still waiting, holding that claim or encounter in appended status to give the insurance carrier enough time to adjudicate the claim. That is the proper way to utilize your chlamydia screening report, and I look forward to seeing you at a future training module.